Let's look at how we can get a tutorial database. First off, let's talk about why we would want a tutorial database. When you use CrossReference, you do get a default database in there called Church Management. Unfortunately, this database has no particular records, and it has very few groups that are necessary for using cross-reference. If you want to practice with cross-reference, you want to learn how to use it, the best thing you can do is to fill it up with the records and groups it needs to perform the operations that it needs to do. And you can see here the only database we have is this one. So how do we get a tutorial database? The first thing we do is we go over to the website, viturimus.com, and you click Login, and you will log in to the dashboard. Now you see here I have a list of a lot of accounts. I am only interested in the account that I'm logged into on my system here, which is Church Management System 189. Now you see this icon here. This appears next to any church management system that is on cross-reference. And this, as you can see, will add a tutorial database, and you merely have to press this button and you just click OK. Give it a second. And right now it is creating the tutorial database. It's creating the records, it's creating the groups, it's creating all the different parts of the system that you need. And once it is done with that, you'll have a database that will be full of the items that you need. So the next thing that we'll have to do is we'll go back to cross-reference. And what we're going to do is we're going to start it up back again. And log in. And again, we'll go to that same database, 189, Church Management System 189. And we'll go ahead and select tutorial. As you can see, there's now a new database. And when I look over here at the tutorial database, it has all kinds of records, church services, Bible studies, and so on. It also is filled with records, lots of them. And you could select different groups and see the different groups of people that are involved in the different records. As you can see, I could select church services and see how many people came to that church service. And that is how you add a tutorial database. I highly suggest adding a tutorial database. This will help you practice with cross-reference and understand how it works.